Ok, sección 47. Empezar mi lección de escribir naturaleza.
Skies.
Cielos,
Work.
trabajo,
Japan.
Japón,
Ice cream.
claro.
Possible.
Duo is flying through the forest.
Duo is flying through the forest.
Parents.
Padre,
Moons.
luna,
Speak.
sola,
Wife. Always.
A black cat ran through the kitchen.
a black cat ran through the kitchen. Truck.
Often.
No,
Aren't.
no son.
Forests.
Bosques.
Hello.
Hola,
Hot.
caliente. Te veo, not alone. For. Not alone.
I was not alone. I was not alone.
Tú estás alone. Tú,
Duo was
alone.
alone in
The forest.
forest.
Duo is a green owl.
Tú es un tú. Oh,
Owls
can.
can
Yeah,
hear
you will.
well.
Yeah, but you
The river is not far from here. Far. Form. Far.
Hay 250 clases de búhos en el mundo. El más pequeño es el elf, el búho elf. Él vive en México y Estados Unidos y es gris y tiene ojos amarillos grandes. Elf, that's great. Yes, it's a big bird. No, it's very small. One person is very small and has big yellow eyes. It's very small. Yo no puedo verla con esta noche. I can't
See
the moon
look
tonight.
tonight.
Have, uh, have you
Seen.
the moon tonight?
See.
Un gato negro corrió otra montaña.
A black cat
ran
ran
through
the
the
kitchen.
The
right,
river is
uh,
not
far
far
from here.
here.
Why?
Why
Is
is the sky blue?
Why